Following the successful launch of the Nothing Phone 3A series, the UK-based tech company led by Carl Pei is now gearing up to introduce its next-generation flagship smartphone in the coming months. But before we dive into all the exciting details, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you never miss the latest tech updates. The upcoming Nothing Phone 3 is already generating significant buzz, with early leaks and rumors suggesting it could be one of the most thrilling smartphone releases of the year. Reports indicate that the device will be powered by either a high-performance Snapdragon or MediaTek Dimensity chipset, ensuring top-tier speed and efficiency. Additionally, Nothing appears to be integrating advanced AI-driven features which could enhance user experience in innovative ways. One of the standout upgrades expected in the Nothing Phone 3 is its improved 50-megapixel main camera, promising sharper image quality, better low-light performance, and more refined computational photography. Enthusiasts are also eager to see enhancements in the Glyph interface, the brand's signature LED notification system, which might introduce new functionalities and customization options. With a focus on delivering a more polished and seamless software experience, Nothing seems committed to refining its ecosystem and ensuring that this flagship device stands out in a highly competitive market. As the hype continues to build, the big questions remain. Will the Nothing Phone 3 truly revolutionize the smartphone experience? Will the Nothing Phone 3 come with a competitive price tag, or is Carl Pei steering the brand toward the premium market? And could advanced AI capabilities give it a significant edge over rival smartphones? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. After months of speculation, new leaks have finally provided clarity on the anticipated launch of the Nothing Phone 3. According to a recent post by tipster Abhishek Yadav on X, formerly known as Twitter, the smartphone is likely to debut in July 2025. Staying true to the brand's signature aesthetic, the Nothing Phone 3 is expected to feature a transparent back while incorporating several exciting upgrades. One of the standout additions could be the Essential Key, a feature first introduced in the Nothing Phone 3A series, allowing users to set up custom shortcuts for seamless access to apps and functions. Additionally, Carl Pei has teased a deeper integration of AI within Nothing OS, aiming to enhance its intelligence, responsiveness, and overall user experience. The upcoming smartphone is anticipated to come with a spacious 6.7-inch display, providing users with an immersive viewing experience. It is expected to support a smooth 120 Hz refresh rate, ensuring fluid scrolling and responsive touch interactions. Additionally, the screen will feature HDR10+ technology for vibrant colors and enhanced contrast, making it ideal for media consumption. To improve durability, the device will be equipped with Corning Gorilla Glass 5, offering better resistance against scratches and accidental drops. Security-wise, an advanced under-display fingerprint sensor is likely to be incorporated, allowing for seamless and secure unlocking. On the software front, the smartphone will run on Nothing OS 3, which is based on Android 15, promising an optimized and user-friendly interface. When it comes to performance, Nothing might choose between two powerful chipset options, the Snapdragon 8S Elite or the MediaTek Dimensity 920+. Both chipsets are designed to deliver a well-balanced combination of power and efficiency, ensuring smooth multitasking and gaming. Moreover, the device is expected to integrate AI-driven features, enhancing overall usability by optimizing system performance, camera functionality, and battery life. In terms of camera capabilities, the Nothing Phone 3 might feature a similar configuration to the Phone 3A Pro, possibly incorporating a telephoto lens to align with the standards set by high-end smartphones. This addition would enhance zoom capabilities, making it more competitive in the premium market. Additionally, the device is rumored to be equipped with a robust 5,000 mAh battery, which should provide long-lasting power for extended usage without frequent recharging. When it comes to pricing, the exact cost of the Nothing Phone 3 remains uncertain at this point. However, looking at previous models for reference, the Nothing Phone 1 was introduced at a price of $397, while its successor, the Phone 2, launched at $599. If Nothing maintains a similar pricing strategy, the upcoming Phone 3 is likely to be positioned within the $600 to $700 range. Interestingly, this price bracket has also become a competitive space, with Apple recently entering the segment by launching the iPhone 16e just last month. That being said, if the Nothing Phone 3 delivers on its rumored enhancements and upgrades, it could emerge as a serious contender, challenging Apple's dominance and providing consumers with an alternative that blends innovation and affordability. What do you think about the release of the Nothing Phone 3? Are you looking forward to its launch? When it comes to smartphones, do you lean toward Apple, or are you more interested in what Nothing has to offer? Share your thoughts with us in the comments section below. And with that, we'll catch you all in the next video. Take care. Bye.